My dear viewers of Madani channel, inshallah Azawajal, today we'd like to share with you how Ghaus Azam radiyallahu anhu was protected from a dangerous attack of shaitan. Ghaus Azam radiyallahu anhu once said, as written by Amir Ahl Sunnat Damat Barakatun Aliyah in his booklet Jinn Resembling Snake, published by Maktabatul Madina, that once I went to a jungle where I stayed for many days without eating and without drinking. I had become very thirsty, and suddenly a cloud appeared above my head. From this cloud, raindrops started to fall, which I drank. A bright face then appeared in the cloud, illuminating the sky, saying to me, "O Abdul Qadir, I am your creator, and I have made all haram things halal for you." Ghaus Azam radiyallahu anhu says, I immediately recited, "A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim." Then the brightness of the cloud turned into smoke. I then heard a voice, "O Abdul Qadir, before this I led 70 saints of Allah astray due to this way, but your knowledge has saved you." Ghaus Azam radiyallahu anhu said, I replied, "O accursed one, it is not my knowledge, but it is the grace of Allah Azza wa Jal that has saved me. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam."
सल्लु अला हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद। मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है।